quiet down and listen immediately. If it's like a ton of noise and a bunch of kids like, oh, fuck you, look at that, you just walk in and you just go like, and they'll all go, the fuck? And they'll sit down and be like, and then you have their attention. That worked every fucking time.
Fuck! Why is he so funny? Why is he so funny? Why is he so funny? God damn it, Jerma. Bruh. I'm gonna have to ban Jerma. No. It's just the fact that he said that and then he's wearing like this headset microphone is just... it's just so absurd.